Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In Scotland, if someone knocks on your door and asks to use the toilet, it's legally required to let them in. In India, Egypt, and Mexico, pink taxis are driven by women exclusively for female passengers, offering a safer travel option with features like GPS tracking. The main active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant and anti inflammatory agent. A new study finds that playing with dogs for just 15 minutes can significantly reduce stress levels in humans. The man, the myth, the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali sitting on a boat on the Nile during his visit in Egypt 1964. Your brain can't multitask effectively, it switches focus rapidly, so doing one task at a time is more efficient. Spiders could theoretically eat every human on earth if they work together. Chicago has been named as the best big city in the United States for the eighth consecutive year. People value things they work hard for. Women say over 13,000 more words per day than men, study says. This artist, known as the pavement surgeon, fixes sidewalk holes with beautiful mosaics. Female dogs judge you more than male dogs, study finds. Elevator door close buttons in most buildings don't work. They are just there for placebo effect. Sea Shadow was an experimental ship built by Lockheed Martin to test naval stealth capabilities. California has a town for aircraft fans where they own and park airplanes in front of their homes. A construction company built an entire family home on the wrong lot in Hawaii after miscounting the number of telephone poles on the land. They then sold the home without the landowner's knowledge. This is Sisu, a stray dog who broke into the Dollar General 5 times to steal this purple unicorn. When animal control arrived, the officer brought it for him. People usually don't notice the small things you do for them until you stop doing them. The world's largest plane is wider than 2 football fields. Thinning eyebrows or losing hair in that area could be a sign of health problems like thyroid issues, stress, or not eating enough healthy foods. It's important to take care of your body. Ravens can learn to speak better than parrots. The dishwasher was invented by Josephine in 1886. She was a wealthy socialite who sought a way to save time and prevent her fine china from being damaged by hand washing. A chef left his prestigious restaurant job to cook meals for patients in their final days. He took this heartfelt step to honor his late son, who passed away from leukemia, and to give back to the hospice that provided him care. Red can increase heart rate and create a sense of urgency. It is often used in sales to encourage quick decisions. A new telescope is being built in Chile which is anticipated to deliver images with a clarity that is 16 times greater than that of the Hubble Space Telescope. If your landlord ever claims your deposit, ask them for receipts. Most places, it's required by law to provide tenants with an itemized list of deductions within a set period of time. Siberian Huskies can follow commands when necessary, but their instinct leans more towards being cooperative than strictly obedient. They thrive on companionship and prefer to be seen as friends rather than just pets. Never pick up a snail straight up. This can cause mantle collapse, which can result in an extremely painful death. Instead, gently slide them sideways until they detach from the surface or wait until they contract into their shell. When an 18-wheeler starts flashing his hazard lights on the highway, it means he's slowing down faster than normal because of congestion or an accident up ahead, so make sure to stay back. In 1897, Indiana almost passed a bill to change the value of pi. An amateur mathematician decided he had proof that pi was not 3.14 but actually 3.2, so he convinced the state to take on the bill. It passed, the House unanimously made it through a Senate committee. Adam Sandler and his wife Jackie Sandler, the couple met on the set of the movie Big Daddy, where Jackie played a small role as a waitress. Since then, she has appeared in almost all of Adam's movies. Master the skills. Speak like a lawyer. Express like a philosopher. Think like a scientist. Analyze like a psychologist. Observe like a detective. Love like a poet. Decide like a judge. Create like an artist. Work like an engineer. Thanks for watching.